Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an easy grid. First, decide on the purpose of your grid, whether for drawing, layout, or organization. Next, gather your materials, such as a ruler, pencil, and paper, or digital tools if working on a screen. Ensure your surface is flat and well lit for accuracy. We'll cover how to set up your initial measurements and begin marking your grid lines effectively. Now, let's plan your grid's dimensions. Measure the total width and height of your desired grid space. For example, if you need a 10-inch by 8-inch grid, mark those boundaries. Then, consider how many rows and columns you want. If you aim for 1-inch squares, divide your total dimensions by 1. This step ensures your grid cells are uniform and fit your project perfectly. With your plan ready, it's time to draw the lines. Start by making small, accurate marks along the top and bottom edges for your vertical lines, perhaps every 0.5 inches. Do the same for the left and right edges for your horizontal lines. Use a ruler to connect these corresponding marks, drawing light, consistent lines across your surface. Take your time to ensure each line is straight and parallel to its neighbors. To finish, gently erase any initial guide marks or construction lines that are no longer needed, leaving only your crisp grid. For more complex projects, consider experimenting with diagonal grids or even isometric grids to add depth and perspective. These techniques can elevate your designs significantly. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, making them a fantastic investment for your feet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.